To check sleep date captured by your Apple Watch, you can do that by opening Health application on your iPhone, go into the right bottom corner on the search, and over here, go to the sleep. And right now, you will have to go into the sleep that is located over here. And as you can see right now, we can simply check this from the current day, week, month, or 6 months. As you can see, for example, for my 6 months, I was sleeping around 7 hours, and here we can find the bedtime, wake up time, and you can also show more sleep data if you want. So for example, the stages, amounts, some comparisons. So here you can find the lowest and the highest heart rate during your sleep. There's also the respiratory rate, average wrist temperature. In my case, it's actually not available. And when we close this one, we can also find some other sleep data, like for example the sleep score by going here. So as you can see, if I go to show on the charts, I can actually get more data. So from the last month, I've got like excellent 8 nights, high 4 nights, and I don't have very low or low. We can also go for the elements, so we can find duration, bedtime, and the interruptions. We can also check this for 6 months, week, and stuff like this. When you go back from this one, we can also find some highlights. So my average sleep time like 6 hours 49 minutes from the last 7 days, some breathing disturbances, and some other things like some base information, some tutorials, and that's basically everything. I hope you find it useful.